CRC Worldviews and News. Important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 28th of May 2025. Isabella, who is a Christian woman in Yemen and also works for women there. Women are kidnapped during attacks. They do various types of domestic work that are forced and tortured, including sexual abuse, and they are treated like a slave. Atiya Fathi is from Iran. When she was 9 years old, she was tortured. As a result of which internal bleeding started in her body and both her kidneys were damaged. She said that when Christians are attacked, children and women also face violence. The Q School Asian Oceania tournament is underway in Thailand. Pakistan's snooker champion Babar Masi defeated Indian opponent Brijesh Damani. Babar Masi has also won 3 world snooker competitions for Pakistan. Sarah Dadjo is a journalist in Syria. She says that people living in Syria have different views about Christians. After the change of government, a lot has changed, but people's attitudes are old. There are many things like destroying churches, violence against worshippers, hateful views, and many more. Change will take a long time. Pope Leo said that the problems facing Christians in China are worrying. There are many secret churches that are in danger of many dangers. The Pope said that whenever you pray, do not forget the Christians of China. North Korean evangelist Chen Chun-gil says that if someone says that there is a name for the most dangerous place for Christians, it is North Korea. He was illegally imprisoned, starved, tortured, and severely threatened for preaching Christianity. When he came out of prison, his family said that they did not expect to see his face again. Siabang, who is a pastor in the Indian state of Manipur, has had 10 of his churches burned down so far. Dozens of worshippers have died, many have been paralyzed for life, and many have been injured. Meanwhile, the word of God continues to grow. Adding to the news from Vietnam, Ngo Yan, a church leader and Bible school leader there, says that Buddhists hate the very reason Christians are making progress, and the increasing attacks and threats are creating problems. Jamal, a Christian businessman in Bangladesh, said that his shop was attacked and his belongings were vandalized, but then he opened his shop, after which he was tortured and threatened that if he opened his shop again, he would be killed. Sufyan Stephen explains that sexual abuse is common in the Central African Republic, with young girls being the most victims. Christians preach that it is a grave sin, but extremist groups attack them for inciting people against them. If you liked our video and want to watch more, subscribe our channel. A reliable source of information, stay connected with CRC News.